Hello, today in class we're going to be solving problems about percentages. And the problem sounds like this. How many percent of 20 liters is 10 liters? Let's write down the terms of this problem. That is, how many percent is of 20 liters 10 liters. In order to solve this problem, we must first analyze what we need to find and rephrase the terms of this problem. Let's remember what kind of problems we know how to solve. We have analyzed two types of problems. The first type of problems is finding percentages of a number. And in the second case, we found the number by percentages. You know, the algorithm of action in these two cases. Let's think about what type of problem we should choose. That is, what algorithm we will use. And I want to draw your attention to the fact that if we found the percentage of a number, let's go back to our problem. We need to find the percentage, that is. What percentage of 20 liters is 10 liters? So, in other words, I need to find the percentages. And in the previous problem, we were looking for percentages of the number. And what do we get? So we don't know the percentages. We know the number, and it all equals 10. And now let's remember how we solve such problems. The point is that if I found the percentage of the number, and pay attention, this percentage is denoted by X, then as a result I got the number. So what did we do? The key thing was so in this case we multiplied. So if the X percent we needed to find, we multiplied by our number. And then what did we do? We divide it by 100 and we get the answer, which in this case is 10. Now what do we get? We use the same algorithm. The only thing is that in this equation we now have unknown percentages and we can find these percentages. So if I use this algorithm, that is, I need to find X. Again, we solve problems like this. We found the percentages of a number in this same formula using the same algorithm. Instead of percentages, I substitute X. The rest of the notation remains the same. And what do I get? I need to find X percentages from this equation. So I write X percent multiplied by 20 is equal to 10 multiplied by 100. Percent. Well, now it's very easy to express X percent. The result is 10 times 100% and divided by 20. It's very easy to calculate that. What do we do? Let's reduce 120. We reduce by 20 and I get 5 here. And 10 times 5, that's 50. And as you can see, I don't write percentages in this formula for nothing because I still have percentages. Then the answer in our problem will be 50%. Solving problems on percentages, you only need to clearly know the algorithm. That is, we have types of problems on percentages, and you only have to reformulate the conditions of the problem and substitute in our formulas. It doesn't matter. If you are unaware of a component, you have the capability to locate it by utilizing the equation. Of course, this problem can be solved in a slightly different way. And what could that method be? Let's ponder over it once more. So we need to find out what percentage is. The volume of 20 liters is equal to 10 liters. Note that I stated that. 10 liters of 20 liters. When we say from, that is 10 liters from 20, what should I put? Or from 20, that is 10. Out of 20. Okay, 10/20 is a fraction. So 10/20, if I reduce it by 10, I get 1/2. So you get that 10 of 20, that is, or out of 20 is 1/2 part. And we know that 1/2 part, that is 50%. And in this way we can solve problems. At the next lesson we will continue to solve problems on percentages. And for today I have everything. Goodbye. See you again.